Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, bringing you another Cybertruck build. And you guys know we have done a lot of wraps and PPF on these trucks. We started out with the very first Inozetek Super Gloss back in December, and since then we've done all kinds of black. We've done 3M film, we've done T-Max film and PPF, but today I've got Inozetek Super Gloss Metallic Black. So building on that deep black that we've done with Super Gloss Black, this has a metallic flair to it, and when I look at the truck, I'm getting some hints of gold, maybe silver. It's really a cool look. I'd love to know what you guys think of this color. It's really kind of unique here, and we're starting to see more and more unique colors and shades, whether it's PPF or wrap. We've got all kinds of options. Love to see you guys check it out on our website, tsportline.com. Go to Cybertruck and look at our DIY wrap kits and see all the colors. We have literally a few hundred colors now between wrap and PPF. You can see here in Atlanta, it's pretty busy. We've got Cybertrucks lined up, so look forward to having a few more of these videos coming your way soon. If you like this, make sure you check like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everybody.